Okay. Bitcoin's making a little bit of a comeback today, and this is very exciting for us to see. However, we are not out of the woods yet, and this is something I want to make very clear. Yes, here at Trade Confident, we are still bearish on Bitcoin. This is a massive resistance line that has yet to be broken. And while we do have a tiny higher high, higher low here, I think this is only temporary and the overall trend is still downwards. This is just something I want to be transparent about. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the signals we're looking for before we actually look to make an entry. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Guys, we are in the last hours of our $600 off AI indicator sale for Cyber Monday. Don't miss out on this sale. I'll talk to you more about details later. For our members, we have a brand new future forecast. We are buying $10,000 today, but we are still ready for the flash crash. This is going to be a very strategic session, and we're going to be breaking down exactly what this looks like in our portfolios and why we are making the moves we are. This is a crucial video to watch if you are a member, and if you're not, sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame. We're trading with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. The market cycle highs and lows has us sitting in mild caution again. Guys, it is normal once a bear market starts to see volatility like this. There is a lot of hope in the market. Traders are getting excited and want to see moves up. However, something I want to point out as we go way back in time, at the beginning of the last bear market, it was very normal to see this. Up here, we saw the top, we saw a drop down into caution. We saw purple and even neutral readings, mild caution, neutral, even mild greed right at the very top here. We saw these readings, but the price continued to crash downwards. So yes, a buy at these levels with these green dots in the purple and blue were fantastic temporary moves. People made money at those levels, but that was not the end of the bear market. And this is something we talked about as that played out in 2022. We saw continued drops, and it wasn't until we saw the bottoms in fear and max fear with these green dots from the Pro Trade Manager that the ideal entry opportunities actually surfaced. These were the times that money was made. This was the bottom of the bear market, and you can see how much money was made once we hit those entries. So keep that in mind. That is why I'm not getting my hopes up for a bull market continuation. At least not yet. There are situations where we could see a break in this uptrend and a continued move up. That's not something I'm going to discuss in this video. I want everyone to be ready for further drops, even if there are temporary moves up. This is very normal in bull markets. It's very normal to transition from caution back to mild caution or even neutral before further drops. Before I'm personally looking for a potential entry, I want to see concern. I want to see fear. And if we can, I'd love to see some max fear in the market. Now, why am I looking for scary readings like that? Guys, whales buy retail fear. When most traders are feeling at their most disparaged, when everyone's feeling scared, defeated, this is when the price is the lowest, and this is when whales begin to buy back in because it's a fantastic opportunity to buy discount crypto. Whales manipulate retail traders' feelings. So if you are aware of that, you can play on that and begin trading with the whales rather than against them. And that's where trading sentiment from the market cycle highs and lows is going to be crucial. Now, the concern, fear, and max fear readings are going to let you know when ideal entries are approaching. They will give you a range of when the ideal time to buy in is. But the Pro Trade Manager issues green dot signals. This is when we can find the absolute bottom of these signals before an actual real move up happens. These green dots catch the bottoms. It's as simple as that. So we use concern, fear, and max fear to follow the overall trend. We use the Pro Trade Manager to find exact entries, and the combination of both is extremely powerful. Using our old indicators, the trades in favor, price versus wall money flow, and TC top and bottom finder, we were able to earn 314 wins and 0 losses. Now, these indicators were 78% accurate based on our trading record. It was the risk management that was built into the TC top and bottom finder here. Let's actually take a look at what that looks like here. That brought up that full 100% win rate. These two indicators, the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager, are even more accurate. The Pro Trade Manager actually combines 9 of the most popular and important oscillator indicators and more, all into one single hyper accurate indicator. The market cycle highs and lows is fully proprietary, and guys, you don't want to miss these signals as they happen. Both indicators allow you to set alerts. We talk about that quite a bit, so I'm not going to cover it in today's video because we're running a little bit long here. I want you to know these indicators are on sale for only the next few hours, and there won't be another sale until Christmas time. If you want access to these indicators, it is best to sign up with a membership. It is $49 to get started, and on top of money-making benefits like future forecast coaching videos and trade setups, our members can get access to the Flash Cyber Monday sale, $200 off the Pro Trade Manager, the market cycle highs and lows, and the volume bubbles indicators. We didn't go over this one, but it is equally as important. Now, if you've previously purchased our indicators, we want to thank you and honor that. You are getting 60% off. Maximum discount, 60% off if you email in at betradeconfident@gmail.com. We'll get you those discount codes and you will be good to go for your trades. Do not miss out on these next signals. Be watching for concern, fear, and max fear. And as those play out, look for the green dots for the exact dollar cost average entries. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.